Welcome to my channel RR into your kitchen. Please subscribe to my channel for more delicious recipes and don't forget to click bell icon to get new notifications. Hi friends, today's dish, two simple and tasty delicious sweet recipes, mango kesari and pineapple kesari. These two sweets are perfect recipes for special occasions like festivals and pujas. So without any delay, let's start the preparation. Before that, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe and don't forget to hit like button if you like this recipe. So first we'll see the preparation of mango kesari. To prepare mango kesari, we need mango pulp. Here I am using canned mango pulp. You can also make it with fresh mangoes. If you are using fresh mangoes, cut one ripe mango into chunks and blend to a fine puree. First heat the pan. Add 2 teaspoons ghee and let ghee melt. Next to this add cashews and raisins. Here I am frying cashews and raisins for both the recipes. If you are preparing one of the recipe, take 8 cashews and 8 raisins and fry to golden brown color and transfer to the plate. Next to the same ghee, add 1/4 cup coarse Sooji. Fry Sooji to light golden color on a medium-low flame until Sooji leaves nice aroma. Keep stirring often to prevent Sooji from burning. Once Sooji turns to light golden color, reduce the flame to low. Slowly add 3/4 cup boiling water to the Sooji. Keep stirring continuously to avoid lumps. This process is very important, so keep stirring continuously until there are no lumps. Now cover and cook on a low flame for a minute until all the water absorbs. Next remove the lid. Add 1/4 cup mango puree. Stir and combine well with Sooji. After adding mango puree, Sooji changes to nice yellow color, so no need to add any food color. Now cover and cook for a minute on a low flame. After a minute, remove the lid. Now first add half cup sugar. Combine well with Sooji until sugar melt. Mango puree has some sweetness, so once sugar melts, check the sweetness and add more sugar according to your taste. I am adding another 1/4 cup sugar. Mix well until sugar melt. Now add 2 teaspoons ghee. Stir well until it mixes well with the Sooji. Now cover and cook for 3 minutes on a low flame. Time varies according to the quantity. If you are cooking more quantity, it takes more time. After 3 minutes, remove the lid. Stir once. Next to this, add half teaspoon fresh cardamom powder, fried cashews and raisins. Mix well with the halwa. Finally, add 2 teaspoons ghee. Mix and stir well on a low flame until halwa leaves the pan. Once mixture leaves from the bottom of the pan, halwa is done. Finally, add a pinch of saffron. Mix with the halwa and turn off the flame. Our mango kesari is done. Now transfer to the bowl and flatten with the spatula and leave it until it cools down. So once it cools down, flip the bowl into the plate and garnish with mangoes and cashews. Delicious mango kesari is ready. So next we'll see the preparation of pineapple kesari. To prepare pineapple kesari, we need pineapple chunks. So here I am using canned pineapple. If you are using fresh pineapple, cut ripe pineapple into small chunks or blend to a coarse puree. First heat the pan with 2 teaspoons ghee. To this add cashews and raisins and fry to golden color and transfer to the plate. Next to the same pan, add 1 teaspoon ghee, add 1/4 cup Sooji and fry on a medium-low flame until Sooji turns to light golden color and transfer to the plate. Next to the same pan, add another teaspoon ghee, add half cup pineapple chunks, saute on a medium flame for a minute. Next to this, add 1/4 cup sugar. Stir well until sugar melt. Now cook pineapple in sugar syrup for 2 to 3 minutes till pineapple slightly changes to light color. Next to this, add 1 clove, 1 cup water. Cover and cook on a low flame until pineapple turns soft. Once water comes to boil, remove the lid. Add roasted Sooji to the water. Stir continuously until there are no lumps. This process is very important. Keep stirring until there are no lumps. Now cover and cook on a low flame till all the water absorbs. Once all the water absorbs, remove the lid. Mix thoroughly. To this add 1/4 cup sugar, 1 to 2 drops food color. Food color is optional. Stir well until everything mixes together. Next to this, add half teaspoon fresh cardamom powder, fried cashews and raisins, mix well. Finally add 1 teaspoon ghee. Mix and cook on a low flame for a minute. If you want pineapple kesari to be thinner consistency, turn off the flame. For bit firm consistency, slightly increase the flame and cook for another minute. Keep stirring continuously until mixture leaves the pan and turn off the flame. Next, transfer halwa to a bowl. Flatten with spatula and leave it until it cools down. Once it cools down, flip the bowl into the plate and garnish with cashews. Delicious pineapple kesari is ready to serve. Yummy and delicious mango kesari and pineapple kesari is ready to serve. Prepare this sweet on special occasions like festivals or pujas. Thanks for watching. If you like this recipe, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe to my channel RR Into Your Kitchen for more delicious recipes.